So, whenever I got home, check out what flew into my car. A katydid, or jar fly. Anyways, one of these things that's making a ruckus. And hanging on. But yeah, he flew into my car. I don't know if it's laid its eggs yet. It'll die before this year's up. I don't know if this is the 15-year one or the yearly one. I'm not sure. Because I know the 15-year one's out right now. Hello. Hello. But I don't know if they like flowers or not. I hear some. It'd be cool if it started doing its noise on my finger.
I thought it was.
No, it's a different one.
It says, I just want you.
Apparently. All I did was get it out of a hot car. Oh, where did it go?
It went right there.
Where?
Right here. Over here.
It jumped to my shirt. Oh, it went.
There it goes. It went somewhere that way.
I thought it was going to hit me in the face. Bye. Okay, Monk, what did you find out about my katydid?
The katydid is known as a dog day katydid. It's one of the annual ones. It's the 5-year one.
That was the 5-year one?
And that one that was on him was not singing because it was a female. Females don't sing. The males sing to attract the female.
I need to catch a male. I want to see it sing in person.
Yeah.
Cool.